Welcome back to my channel, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files or photos in Hotmail. So firstly, you have to log into your Hotmail account. For that, you have to go to this website called Outlook Login. It is an official Microsoft website over here, as you can see. So it is completely secure. So here you can see the sign in option. Click on the sign in option. And here it's going to ask for your username and password. I have my account already signed in, so I'm just going to click on that. And that's how I'm going to sign in. So here you can see I have already logged into my account, and now I'm going to look for the new mail option on the top left corner over here. Click on new mail option, and over here you can see that it is asking for your username which you want to send the mail to, or your Hotmail account, the Hotmail account you want to send the pictures to. And here's the subject option. Now you just click on here on the compose area over here, the mail area, and here you can see a lot of options. We are going to look for this paper pin option over here which says attach a file to this item. Click on this option over here. Here you can see many options. You can upload from OneDrive, upload and share, and also upload a link. Now I'm going to select on browse this computer. It is going to browse all of the files in this computer. So firstly click on browse this computer. After clicking here, you can see there are many options. I'm just gonna select a photo, open it. As you can see here, that photo has been attached to this file, and just by that you can upload a photo, attach a photo or a link to Hotmail and send it to the person you want to send. And you can also just cross-check that photo over here, as you can see. And if you don't want to send it, you can just click on this delete option over here and it will be discarded. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.